Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead for beginners. First, let's cover the essential controls. You'll use the joystick or D-pad for movement and a dedicated button for jumping. Shooting is crucial, so get comfortable aiming in 8 directions. Dashing is your primary evasion tool, allowing you to quickly move out of harm's way. Finally, parrying pink objects by jumping into them is vital for building your super meter and reaching new areas. Now, let's dive into some essential combat strategies. In Cuphead, dodging is often more important than continuous shooting. Take time to observe and learn enemy attack patterns. This will significantly improve your survival. There are 6 main weapons, each with unique properties, so try them all to discover what suits you best. When facing a boss, clear out any smaller minions first to reduce screen clutter and focus on the main threat. Understanding charms and super arts is key to success. Charms offer passive benefits, like extra health or automatic parries, and there are 8 different ones to choose from. Super arts are powerful special attacks that become available once your super meter is full, which holds up to 5 cards. Select charms that enhance your strengths or mitigate your weaknesses. Deploy your super arts at critical moments to deal significant damage or escape tricky situations. Finally, let's talk about progression and mindset. Cuphead is a challenging game, so consistent practice will sharpen your skills. Expect to fail many times. Each attempt is a learning opportunity. If frustration sets in, take a 5-minute break to clear your head. Remember, the game is designed to be tough but fair. Focus on enjoying the incredible hand-drawn animation and jazz soundtrack and celebrate every small victory along your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.